Yo friends, it's Rob from One Page Love, and this week I'm covering design app shortcuts, record label logos, Google's new JS learning app, and more in the design and development space. After quite a few requests, I've put together an online doc detailing all the music I use in Yo episodes. A massive thank you to this week's show sponsor, Flywheel Managed WordPress Hosting. Once your site is up, they take care of everything from nightly backups, speed optimization, security, and more. Just a routine reminder, everything I mention is linked below, so sit back, relax, and enjoy Yo. In frustration of the time it took to always search for keyboard shortcuts for design apps, designer Michel decided it's time to put them all in one place. Shortcuts.design is a resource listing pretty much every design app shortcut out there. It features a Windows Mac filter, and great to see it's open source for easy contributions. Steve Sugar has launched a new project called Refactoring UI with the aim to help designers learn UI design through actual interactive redesigns. The YouTube channel has just launched and already blowing up, as the seasoned advice you get while watching is incredibly valuable. Mighty Alex has launched UI Faces, a super helpful resource to find the perfect headshots for your user interface design. It's such a time saver, especially the filters that further help you find real looking people that match the demographic in your client's spec. HueSnap allows you to grab colors from your uploaded images and create beautiful palettes to share or reference in your saved collection. It's simple to use with a great UI, and not to mention hosts a ton of color schemes to inspect and gather inspiration from. Our sponsor Flywheel Managed WordPress Hosting has released the ultimate Instagram dimensions guideline for 2018. The resource includes PSDs of all image dimensions, including a design mock-up of the actual Instagram profile, where you can integrate your own images in Photoshop and start promoting your brand. Additionally, the guideline includes helpful exporting tips to avoid getting rinsed by Instagram's compression tools. Having sorted through hundreds, if not thousands of references, Regan Ray has curated classic record label logos. The arrangement is clean, with years operating as context, a truly phenomenal collection for our inspiration. Munich-based photographer and designer Tom Hegan hopped in a hot air balloon to capture these morbid yet beautiful images forming his Coal Mine series. Tom adds, "I focus on landscapes that have been heavily transformed by human intervention and document the marks that we have left on Earth's surface in order to meet our daily needs." Emmanuel Abrate has put together this collection of famous logos manipulated to include the fonts used. There are around 16 well-presented logos in his collection, and quite fun to discover how popular most fonts used are. Big Dog's Codrops have released a library that can be used for creating WebGL-powered distortion hover effects using displacement images. The effect goes as follows. When hovering an image, they use a displacement image to transition to another image. Using different displacement images, we can create a variety of looks. The animation is based on WebGL and uses 3.js, so it works in all recent browsers. Google have just launched Grasshopper, a coding app for beginners. With fun, quick lessons on your phone, the app teaches adult learners to write real JavaScript. After the keen interest in Ala El-Nomi's letter experiment, he launched geometric letters. Here, he designed a geometric font that reuses a small number of simple geometric shapes. When the user types any letter, the code grabs relevant shapes from the pool and arranges them to form a letter. Great to know all the code is up on GitHub. first most loved award is this incredible one-page website visualizing the Me Too movement from Google Trends. The data represented in the interactive globe is based on the hashtag #MeToo topics people search from around the world. It's real cool how they included a comprehensive section on sexual assault resources too. Second up is this gorgeously designed landing page for Kideo, a suite of school safety software. The design fills a big resolution so well, and that testimonial slider is one of the best looking ones I've seen. Mashup is a unique all-caps display font. The serif typeface includes numbers and basic punctuation and is best suited for logos and T designs. Evie is an HTML template to help quickly launch your next idea with a simple, clean landing page. Great to know the documentation includes a neat style guide and the template is on an awesome MIT license. Designer Michel has released this free sketch UX kit to help wireframe and prototype your next project. Inside the download is 307 customizable symbols, 66 pre-made text styles, and 21 screens and examples. So that's it for this week's episode. If you missed it, I added part 3 to the Making Yo series where I dive deep into the editing process and then I slapped on a big section in the end on how I brainstorm music for the episode. Final shout out to this week's show sponsor, Flywheel Managed WordPress Hosting. If you dug the episode, hit that like button. If you dig what I'm doing, why not hit subscribe? Or head over to robhope.com/yo and sign up to the weekly newsletter where you get all the links to everything I mentioned delivered straight to your inbox. Until next week.